Unexpected updates have hit the TrueNAS world. If we come over to our system and then click Update, we'll recognize here that from 25.04.2, we now have a .1 update. Let's go ahead and check the release notes. The release notes for 25.04.2.1 say that this fixes an issue where upgrading from Electric Eel would break VMs without configured VNC passwords. This has been a complaint for people both on Reddit and the TrueNAS forums for people that have existing virtual machines that say they are not working after the update was complete, which was supposed to flawlessly update them from Electric Eel into Fangtooth. This update specifically addresses that issue. Here we are back in the dashboard, and if I go to System and then General, we can see my update completed successfully. I now have a .1 on my OS version. I'm not currently running any virtual machines that would have been affected from this update, but if you were running Electric Eel and you made the jump directly into this version of Fangtooth, I want to know if this worked well for you. In the event this upgrade did not go smoothly for you, go ahead and jump into the System tab and then click Boot. From here, we can see all the boot environments that are saved on my system. In order to roll back to 24.04.2 or possibly earlier versions, go ahead and click the check mark here that says Activate. As you can see here, this pop-up box will allow me to click the confirm button to activate the boot environment. Now we can see here that the boot environment has got the checkbox removed from it in the row, and the next time that I restart the system, I'll be booted back into the previous version that I've selected. In the event that you upgraded from Electric Eel, be sure not to upgrade your ZFS storage pools. If you upgrade your ZFS storage pools to the latest version, you will not be able to revert to a previous version like Electric Eel. I'll tell you that everything else of mine is working. I saw no other issues from this upgrade. Therefore, I would say it is safe to upgrade from both Electric Eel and previous versions of Fangtooth. If you really want to have a very technical conversation about it, please hit us up on Servers at Home Discord. Thank you guys for watching this video. Go ahead and update your machines and comment below and let me know how it goes. If you want to thank me personally for this, please buy me a coffee.